Barry, where my baby daddy at? Where my baby? Barry.
Poppin' on in the bird, we fuck them gal. Private jets. Every gal I come out to them like it, yes. Everybody high head a fly private jets. Might see a chick you like and you might invest in. Ride it, yes. But no, she love it when my vice keep rest.
What's poppin'? Oh, what's good? It's Carlisa and I'm back with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. I died down a little bit. So, as you can see by today's title and thumbnail, I will be doing acting Ratchet Barry. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to act Ratchet, but I'll go try. I don't have the hoop earring, but I'll try my best. You know, the glasses, chain. If I had a vest, ooh, if I could get a vest, put it over the shirt. No, that. And I had lip gloss. All I'm missing is the chewing gum too, but I don't have any chewing gum. So right now I'm making it real hot, and she just outside there helping when my cousin and them with online classes. And it's now about 6 something. Like, sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? I look real pretty for this video. Just look, I had this singing too, and just like, this lip gloss is just no, sis, no. Barry, where my baby daddy at? Where my baby? So I feel I should put one on hand, or each one on. You make it make sense, as easy to see. Make it make sense. Okay, I don't want you catch me on the camera, so I feel I will coach you outside because my daddy likes to watch this thing, and I don't want to interrupt him. But when I prank it to it, but you know, he would don't mind me acting like this. So this thing don't want to close him, man. I can call she in, and I can be like, Ma, I had to talk to you, Mommy, I had to talk to you, and like, yeah. But right now, I don't even know where to put the camera because there's not no better way to put the camera. So I'll figure it out, like Carlisa. But if she see, I don't really care if she see the camera because it's really like a prank, but also to get her reaction and stuff. So if I had hoops, but I'm going to find, I'm going to try to find that. Try to find that thing. So I'm gonna try to find the vest to make it thing. So Barry, why you acting like that? Oh, I'll try to figure it out. But anyways, I'll be back when I'm fully dressed, meaning with a t-shirt over the shirt, and when I try to find it by the meantime. So I find it, well, something like it. I wish I had found a white one, but I couldn't find it. So I'll do it with. But without further ado, let me get into this MF video. Oh, daddy, go. We gonna get a hope. Hey, go, daddy, go. Hey, let me get. Yeah, like she helping my cousin still, so I'll take up the camera by the meantime. But yeah, man, she taking forever. She feel people as storage. Yo, I think I'm gonna tell she I want to do a video with she and stuff. and we pretend like we talking and thing, and like I just like when we gum and so and thing. I don't know what to say, but I'll figure it out in my head. So I don't even know. It's taking hella long, like. Kiss me through the phone, kiss me through the phone, we'll see you when I'm home. Don't wanna get copyrighted. Woohoo! Next one I will do on she is acting hood. No, have perfect tattoos and everything on. Dog, she taking long. I don't know if she can see me truly though. I think I'm gonna call she. But then if I call she to actually to do a video, then she goes to be like, nah, that video can't wait because I watch the news and so. I think I should be wearing all lipstick more. Anyways, I gotta take off the camera. Mommy, can you come, please? You watching news? You watching news? Come and do a video with me. Come on, let's do a video together now. You like it? Come on. Let's go. Go on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, go. No, let's do a video together. Mama and daughter goes. Come on, let's go. You like the look? You got any gum? Come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Well, your daughter in Boston too, so come on. No. Okay. She's coming.
What video it is now?
Come on, sit down. Close the door. Let's go. Sit down. Right. You can see me? Okay. Are you watching so? You like my look? Rate it from 1 to 10.
A 9.
A 9? You're lying! You don't want to hurt my feelings. Rate it from 1 to 10 for real.
A 9.
You like the Ratchet look? Anyways. You like it? Or no?
9, yeah, 9.
You're lying. Anyways, do act shy in front of the camera. Everybody is going to love you, okay? You like my lip gloss too? No, for real, you like my lip gloss?
What's the problem?
I mean, what's my problem? You like my lip gloss?
I know my lip gloss.
But it has shiny thing on it. If I had gum. No! You're wrong for that.
That's not wrong. They got shiny dust.
Nah, you're wrong for that. You're wrong for that. Do you not like my look?
How much am I gonna tell you that you got a 9?
I got 9. You like, if I had on good pants, that would have look good. You like my Ratchet look? Like, Barry. Like it? Barry. Look into the camera.
Sentence move or what?
What we what we eating tonight?
I don't know.
You got any food?
Food from today.
No. Food. What we eating tonight? Chick-fil-A?
What Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A? Eat some Chick-fil-A?
Let me go and watch your news, eh?
No, you have to sit down right there.
Who
Mother
said?
and daughter time. Take time, hold up.
TikTok, I'm out of this.
Ah! Oh God! Come now, man.
Come on, in this sweater, I come to watch news.
Well, come like pon the fan.
Because I cannot study the channel. The police make it sound like it's alright to do that, but it sounds like some private domestic matter. But let me ask you this. If you launch your gun at
Watch your foot and make sure you're full.
Barry.
and I take your gun as a police officer like that,
You like this view?
then I come
One thing on the dance cat, I'm not
if you left your gun
very tight,
in
huh?
Let it tidy it. Let it tidy it.
and your mother
We talk and send them home.
takes the gun and
Send them home.
is that a domestic?
One time.
Sounds criminal.
You better go and drink some water.
Never be.
Let me drink you.
She sold it. She sold it. It didn't belong to her. Is she going to say
I'm long very to finish my look. Hello.
Yes. As a result of that,
Hello.
you cannot give somebody something to do something with it. And if they should do that, so possession of a vehicle, then give it away. And then that was a domestic. Crazy. But then
I know you hear me, no. I know you hear me, no.
Domestic violence for a vehicle. So the vehicle is involved in a domestic violence.
I know you hear me, no.
What you not
You like my look?
You just switch
Do you like my look?
You just switch to see the line.
Do you like my look?
Huh?
You like my look?
PRP Enterprise. Look.
Get an HP laptop for only $33.74. Computer gaming case $732. HP printer $299. Infrared thermometer for only $419. Security Wi-Fi bulb only $350. Westinghouse 32-inch TV $14.99. We have tablets, security cameras, bags, and lots more. Call us at 638-6448 or 285-7979 or find us
Hello.
on Facebook or shop online at prwe.com.
Hello.
It's time to lock down. Lock down your future with Ratchet. Switching to online learning has meant a lot of adjustments, but the one thing we will never compromise is quality.
I know,
Ratchet
I
is
know.
fully accredited and recognized by the Accreditation Council of
Yeah, watch your
Scientific
TV.
Innovation.
Shut it off.
This is commercial.
Qualified professionals and ethical
This is commercial.
Trust
It's on a break.
Pause.
Hold up.
Online educational experience is assured.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Rapid Tree Weight Loss. You can now download the app to place your orders or call and WhatsApp
Just look at me.
277-734.
What is wrong with you?
3 pounds a day with Rapid Tree Weight Loss.
I went to the zoo love in your eyes, so. Huh? You like the look? Like the look? You like the look? Daddy, you like the look? Say hi. Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera.
Shogunas, Port of Spain, San Juan, Shrek, Aruba, and San Grande.
This was a prank.
I'm gonna go find out, get my foot to my gun, I don't sleep. I don't get up. I can't sleep at the 2 panels till I'm going to sleep.
100 and how much? 55. What would you place? Your teeth in the car.
Yeah, man? It's a prank.
Right. You was driving the car all over the place. But then I remember the car had
How you feel?
electrical problems.
Every day keep cookie,
Change your feelings. So I'ma leave her. She sprayed me with hand sanitizer. Like what the hell? She sprayed me with hand sanitizer. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Even though I didn't know how to act Ratchet, I think this is an epic feel. Oh, if I enjoyed the video with me, I can't fool, but I think I could act more hood than Ratchet. But we will see. We will see. Or is the judge at that? And I just can't be. I don't know. But I actually do love this color on me though. I think I should record here from now on. Like. Anyways, I think I said don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know it's the dopest nation upon the internet, upon any social media. Okay? Sis really sprayed me with hand sanitizer. Really? Felicia, really? Ooh, I know got next idea, but anyways, don't. Oh God. Yeah, love y'all, and comment down what all you think. I think his reaction was hilarious at the same time, but yeah. So give my like, give my subscribe if you're new to this channel, and share, and pawn a friend, tell another friend. Tell your family to subscribe to my channel. Tell your cousin, your auntie, your sister, your daddy, everything. Go and take your mommy phone and subscribe to my channel. Go and take your daddy phone and subscribe to my channel. You dig? It's dopest nation. And if you ain't subscribed, you're missing out. Point blank period. I know I seen that gloss too. But anyways, I love talking to her, but no long talking. I'm gonna close off the video. So love y'all. Peace.